Can an LLC fundraise? Yes, an LLC can raise funds, but it does so differently than nonprofits or corporations. Since an LLC is a for-profit business, it cannot accept tax-deductible charitable donations like a nonprofit. Instead, fundraising for an LLC usually comes in the form of capital contributions from members, loans, or bringing in new investors who receive ownership interests in exchange for their money. An LLC can also raise money by seeking private investments, crowdfunding campaigns, or business loans. However, when accepting outside investors, it's important to update the operating agreement to define ownership percentages, profit sharing, and voting rights. Unlike corporations, LLCs cannot issue stock, which limits the fundraising options compared to companies that go public. Still, the flexibility of LLCs allows creative agreements with investors that can be customized to fit the business's needs. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and prepare an operating agreement that makes it easier to bring in investors. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.